Anchor 1, opening. Good morning, and assalamu alaikum to our respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows. On behalf of the assembly team, I warmly welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Every new day is a gift from Allah Almighty, and beginning it with His remembrance brings blessings to our lives. So, let us start our assembly with the recitation of the Holy Quran. Anchor 2, I humbly request name of student to come forward and recite a few verses from the Holy Quran. Recitation of the Holy Quran. Anchor 1, Jazak Allah. Now I request name of student to present the English Urdu translation of the verses recited. Translation. Anchor 2, thank you. After the recitation, it is time to pay our humble tribute to our beloved Prophet, Muhammad, letter FDFA. For this, I would like to invite name of student to present a beautiful not Sharif. Subhanallah, that was heart-touching. Moving ahead, every morning gives us a new opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve ourselves, to inspire us with a golden thought. I would now like to call name of student to share the thought of the day. Anchor 2, thank you. A wise thought always leaves a deep impact on our lives. Now, to enrich our minds further, let us listen to a short speech on insert topic. For example, discipline, time management, education, patriotism. I invite name of student to come forward. Anchor 1, thank you for that insightful speech. Indeed, such messages guide us in our daily lives and remind us of our duties as good students and responsible citizens. Anchor 2, now let us move towards the concluding part of our assembly. I kindly request everyone to stand straight for the national anthem. Anchor 1, closing. Thank you. This concludes today's morning assembly. May Allah bless our school, our teachers, and our beloved country. Have a wonderful day ahead.